Aren't you tired of going to work every day whilst feeling like you accomplish nothing? At the end of the day, we're still facing financial difficulties, despite all the work we do. In this video, I'll show you how you can start making money online whilst living in Europe. You can do this practically anywhere, but the focus is on Europe since I reside here. Now this won't be easy, but it is for sure possible if you're willing to put in the work. Tip 1. YouTube. Although there are a lot of channels, one can still make it rather easily on YouTube, even in 2023. New channels are still being created every day, and if you stay consistent, you can start making money with YouTube in a few months. To get monetized on YouTube, you will need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. This means that people have to spend 4000 hours in total watching your videos before you start seeing any money. Now, don't let this discourage you, as in my experience, it is far easier to achieve these 4000 watch hours than the 1000 subscribers. The quality of your content and the value you offer to people will determine how fast you can achieve these. If you're still considering YouTube, you can start by choosing a niche. This will help you to filter out the competition and see what types of videos are getting the most views. It will give you a general idea of what kind of videos people are watching in that niche, and also if there's actually a demand for it. Tip 2 is Facebook. This is an underrated method of how you can make money online in Europe. Facebook is a very popular app and almost everyone uses it. There are multiple methods how you can make money online with Facebook, starting with Facebook Marketplace. When I started selling on eBay, most of my stuff were bought from Facebook Marketplace. The most profitable items I was able to find were electronics, video games and action figures. If you spend at least 30 minutes scrolling to the marketplace, I can guarantee you will find a bargain in there. You will need to type in some keywords, as sometimes the marketplace page bugs out. You can also make money with Facebook ads. Now, one might ask, don't I need my own products to promote on Facebook ads? Not necessarily, as you can start doing affiliate marketing. Tip number 3 is affiliate marketing. The core meaning of affiliate marketing is that you recommend products to your audience. If anyone makes a purchase of said product, you will get a commission for it. The commission rates vary from one product to another. Some high profitable niches in affiliate marketing are health products, software and services, and also lifestyle products. Nowadays, you don't need to own a website to start this. You can do this easily with a YouTube channel, Facebook or Instagram page. You can also do this with TikTok, but it will be more difficult. Now obviously, you will need to grow an audience for this to work properly, as you will only earn money if people actually buy the products you recommended. Amazon, eBay and ClickBank are all a good start to affiliate marketing. You can sign up and you will receive an affiliate link. When people click on your affiliate link, the cookies will track other products purchased from that website, like Amazon. So if one person clicks on your link and buys 4 different products, you will get commission on all 4 of those products. Tip number 4 is online store or dropshipping. I put these two together so I won't waste any of your time. Dropshipping is when you sell products from websites like AliExpress or Alibaba. Dropshipping can be very good, as you won't own any of the inventory, so you don't need any storage space or upfront costs. Once you make a sale from your store, you can then buy the item from the dropshipper in Alibaba. All you need to do is send them your customer's address and they will even send out your package for you. When dropshipping, you also need to consider the shipping times. One of the disadvantages of this is that you don't have any control over the shipping times. You can speak to the seller so he'll dispatch the products fast, but since the goods come from China, it will need a few weeks to get delivered. This is where an online store comes in without the dropshipping. If you have money to buy the products yourself beforehand, you will have all control over the shipping times. This will make your customers happier for sure, as they will receive their products much earlier. To create an online store, you can use a Facebook shop page for free, or else by creating a website, the old-fashioned way. If you opt to create a website, you will need some upfront costs for the hosting and domain name. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. I hope this has helped you to open up your eyes to new possibilities. Like the video if this has helped you, and also subscribe, cause I'll be posting much more content.